thing works so well just with water.
A lot of the time, floors will have a lot of built-up residue and soap. So a lot of the time, it's good just to do straight water to start with.
See, I didn't know that.
I've been doing it 9 years, and I'm a kindergarten teacher by trade. I taught kindergarten for 8 years, so I try to share a little bit more knowledge than just trying to sell somebody on something.
Sometimes simple is the best way, you know?
That is what I have
Basic
learned.
information. I have a medical degree. I have a degree in ophthalmic medical technology. I specialize with glaucoma and cornea people.
Dang.
And here I am. Management switched over to management. That's all I do. Now I just get dirty instead of...
I believe it.
Yeah. Amazing where you end up in life.